Trying to understand lambda. When I do, it shows 7,898. When I do the next, it shows. Why it doesn't show true? How to get true?
It looks like your misunderstanding is with filter. To me, you pass a predicate function and an iterable object to filter. It creates a new object containing those items from the first iterable for which the predicate returns a true value, not necessarily true itself, just something that tests as true. The iterable in the two cases is the string 2341, which means the individual letters are tested. Of course, the string 2341 is not equal to any of 2, 3, 4, or 1. Try it with a tuple and it's easier to see what's going on.
Filter does the following: given a function and an iterable, like a list, tuple, etc., passes each item in the list to a function. For each item, the function returns a Boolean true or false. If the function returns true on an item, the item is added to a new list. When filter is finished, it returns the new list with all of the selected items. This allows you to filter through a list based on a criteria, and select only the items matching the criteria. A tricky thing is happening here. Filter loops through any iterable. This includes a string. When you pass tick Alice as the object to iterate, it's passing 2341, and running the filter on each character in the string. You could break the filter's logic down as follows. This doesn't work, because none of your individual characters equal 2341.
Do you want to test if the entry for Alice is 2341? You can do so via. The issue you are facing is not with the lambda form but with the method filter, which is not appropriate in this use case. In general, a lambda form is more or less nothing else than an anonymous function. See for example here.
Maybe what you're trying to do is, and if you add other elements with the same value, you'll get all of them in the list.